short break at this hour. Of course, I know you still have more to tell us on, especially on the topics that will be discussed at the Lagos Electronic Traders Conference. I have been talking to Michael Akinwale. He is a currencies trader and analyst from Alpari, and that's what we have been talking about. We'll take a quick break now, and we'll be right back.
Our investments are really going down.
What's funny? My chart reads otherwise.
Because I understand that laying the right foundation is the key to steady returns on investments, which is why I chose to attend training with Forextime. Forextime is one of the world's leading brokers in foreign currency trading. Forextime has given me an outstanding knowledge base for maximizing my investment returns. As a team, we can take advantage of Forextime training sessions and improve our position. Forextime organizes free training seminars 4 times a week, and their forward-thinking approach helps in equipping you every step of the way.
Straight ahead with Forextime. Well, that's one thing Micah hasn't told us. Micah, I'm so glad I remember that. Tell us about what exactly the Forextime is, because I know it's actually powered by Alpari.
Well, let me use this word technically, you know, not legally. Forextime is Alpari baby.
It's a new concept by Alpari or what?
No, it's not like a new concept. When you do business around the world,
okay,
you know, you have branches everywhere in the world, and you're doing a business that I love regulatory issues. You know, we're in the financial world, and so because you do different business in different parts of the world, there's sometimes regulations in some countries begins to affect your regulations in some other countries. Okay. You know, basically, and it limits the extent of service that you can give in some places because you need to stay with your regulation in some other areas. And so Alpari as a brand, practically everywhere in the world, started having some of those regulatory issues, you know. So they had to create a new brand, you know, just to manage some other areas, okay, you know, that are having regulatory issues. So that's what it is. It's an Alpari baby. Okay, so yeah.
I just needed you to clarify, yeah, because I know viewers will probably be wondering, you know, trying to link that to Alpari.
Like this SMS we said to our clients, we said that we're introducing to you Forextime, the same company, and you know, offering the same service. You know, only that it's any better, because we're able to actually, you know, give more service to our clients, you know, based on the fact that it's not like the Forextime doesn't have exactly the same regulation like Alpari. The same regulation. The only difference is that it's not in some countries where they're giving some, you know, problems about some regulatory issues in some parts of the world. That's all.
Okay, interesting. Yeah. Let's go back to some of the topics, just 2 or 3. I know, you know,
yeah,
we can spill the entire bean package, but just for some, participants to know what to look
another important point that could be there for professional traders, people like money managers, using using trading success to manage money successfully. And let me say this: a lot of people don't know that Alpari or Forextime as a brand has created a platform that allows you as a money manager, you know, to begin to manage funds without giving yourself a lot of stress on hustle of looking for investors. You understand?
Oh, really?
Yeah, we created a platform like that. So what we're looking at is that how to use your trading success to manage money successfully. Now, what are the points that investors are looking for in a good manager? If you as a manager don't know some of those points, you can't know how to tailor your trading to fulfill those points that the investors are looking for, so they keep investing with you, So look at some of those points. Another thing that is very important, if you look at this point, stop breaking even, start making consistent profits right now. There are a lot of traders out there who've been in Forex for 2 years, 3 years. They are yet to withdraw 1 profit. And that's the truth. Some people have been trading 2 years, 3 years. They get to withdraw 1 profit.
Is that possible?
Yeah, they fund their account because they don't know what they're doing, or they're doing something wrong, they lose everything, they fund it again, and they keep going back and forth. What's been keeping them going is that they're Nigerian, you know Nigerians, we keep at it. And it's good. It's not a bad thing, you know. I think it's that little code that says it's not him that falls that fails, it's he that refuses to get up. Right. So basically, as long as you keep getting up. But what we're saying is that it's good to get up properly. So what we want to do is I want to show you
that you don't fall as hard as you
fell
last time.
What we want to show you is how you can start making consistent profits. We have our manager in Abuja office that's going to be taking that topic. Okay. He's a very cool guy in currencies trading, and I'm sure it's going to be of benefit to a lot of people there.
Okay, what else should traders look forward to at that, or whoever's going to, the participants at that?
Now, another thing people should look for is network. A lot of times you don't network. You're in a particular business and you don't mix with other people in that business, you're losing out. what this conference does, gives our traders, or whoever is involved in electronic trading, an opportunity to network with a lot of other people in that same business. You talk, you exchange business cards. Let me give you a case scenario. When I went to the Forex Expo in Dubai, I have like close to 100 business cards from participants from different companies that I can call for whatever business contact I need at any time. So what I'm saying basically is that when you don't attend conferences, when you don't come for events like this, you lose out because you don't have an opportunity. So if you have a product also, maybe you're a very good trader, you should come and network. Meet people who have issues and say, excuse me, I have this trading strategy that's been working for me. It's an opportunity to call. So you come with your business card. Come and network because your business opportunity could also be at this conference because you're going to meet a lot of people who have problems, people who have solutions to your problems and things like that.
Okay, has there, before now, have there been like resource groups or like, should I call them maybe like Forex clubs or a group of people who, exchange information or resources
people
or
try
something?
to do that. I know some groups like that. The other issue is that it's not like they're not regulated, but they don't have the capacity to create a sense of respect or the kind of platform that we are creating.
But does Alpari encourage it? Do you encourage
Yeah, we
people
encourage that because even in our office, every Thursday, we have what we call a forum, where you can come in. As a trader, you can inform us that, excuse me, I have a strategy I want to teach people in the class. You can come in for a forum. And one thing we're trying to do is a lot of these conferences that we have what we call interactive sessions in between, where we interact, where people can ask questions and things like that. And it's not only us who are facilitating the event that answers. We can get people in the crowd also who are also traders to answer, so people can network and interact.
Okay, is it the first one this year, I understand, is on the 10th of March. That's this Saturday.
This Saturday.
It's just one day. It's a one day.
Just a one-day event.
Do you think that one day, that day is enough for people to come and then go away with something valuable?
It's enough to initiate. Because the most important thing in life is to initiate. It's like what it takes to set a forest on fire is just that spark. As long as you set that spark in motion, then your forest can go on there. So basically what we're trying to do is that we try to initiate. We try to create, because in a lot of these conferences, like this conference is all free.
Okay.
People are not paying to come. It's all free.
How many hours is it?
It's about 4 hours, 5 hours over there. And we're going to be serving water, serving a little refreshment. So it's costing us something. So by the time you push that 2 days, 3 days, the cost is going to be up there. So I wouldn't want to charge anything. That's why it's just a day. But I believe it's going to create that spark that people need actually, to take that trading to that next level.
Okay, interesting. Yeah. Any plans for more of such conferences?
Yeah, we're going to be having Abuja maybe next 2 months. We're going to be having Port Harcourt. We're going to maybe having Kano.
Maybe, okay.
Yeah.
So this is just basically awareness for...
Yeah, awareness for the conference.
Not just a conference, perhaps Forex trading here in Nigeria.
Electronic trading. Because it's not just Forex. People can trade currencies, trade stocks, trade options. Whatever market you trade electronically, this is the conference for you.
Okay, interesting. Now going forward, let's go back to the currencies, particularly currencies pairs this week. What traders should look forward to. Okay,
I actually wanted to show people how to register. It's
okay,
free,
fine.
But people can actually register. Now, registration is free, but we need to know how many people are coming before, and it gives us an opportunity to plan. So we just want to send an SMS with the, I think you know how to call those numbers better.
Okay, what is this called? What are the numbers?
Yeah, it's
okay, apart from going to work, can people go to the Alpari website to get this information?
We're registering via SMS.
Okay, SMS
all you just need to do is SMS seat with your phone, SEAT, with your name and phone number to 081 515 17141.
Can you call the number again? 081
515 17141.
41. Okay, so I should just, for my phone, text seat, followed by my name and my phone number to 081 515 17141. Well, I hope you got that number. It's a very conference with potential, especially for those who want to, of course, network, who are thinking about taking up Forex trading, maybe as a full-time career or part-time, as Michael said.
Yeah.
You should always have more than one string of income, as it were. Now, okay, well, I'm sure the viewers did get that, but if you didn't get that, let me just call it once more. Just text SEAT, that's S-E-A-T, from your phone with your name, your phone number, and then text it to 081 515. That's it on your screen right there. We just leave it on for a couple of seconds for you to get that number. Okay, Michael, well, I'm sure our viewers have seen that. Okay. Hopefully, you would have a robust attendance, as it were. But what are your expectations from talking about from times past, the conferences you've had in the past, are you
I think
looking forward to a
this
big,
is
big
going to
crowd?
be this conference is going to be the biggest conference in Africa. We're not expecting Nigerians alone. We're expecting people from all over Africa.
Oh, really?
Because we're not advertising within the shores of Nigeria alone. Nigeria is like the hub. It's like the business hub of business in Africa.
No, despite the fact that forex trading here is not exactly, you know,
No,
robust compared to...
For me, apart from maybe South Africa, Nigeria is like the #1 FX country in the world right now. Sorry, in Africa right now.
Okay.
So basically, we're expecting people from all over Africa, especially from Ghana, Kenya, several countries. So this is like the biggest conference ever on electronic trading in Africa that we're having.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Okay, we're almost completely out of time now. Michael, just quickly to wrap up trading for this week, what are those currencies or currencies pairs to look forward to in terms of profits?
I think we're expecting a lot of strength for the US dollars this week.
Okay.
So we're expecting a lot of traders to actually be buying the US dollars and, you know, selling other pairs as the week goes along. Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. We're completely out of time now, but thank you so much for your time. Thank you
so much,
for
Esther.
all that insight. Thank you for all that information. Of course, as I mentioned, it's a conference to attend, the Lagos Electronic Traders Conference. Come and learn how to, of course, trade forex, stocks, options, futures, all electronically, according to PARA. It's something that traders and, of course, those aspiring to be currencies traders can actually benefit from. We'll take another quick break now, and we'll be right back with the rest of the program. Please join us again.
Our investments are really going down.
What's funny? My chart reads otherwise.
Because I understand that laying the right foundation is the key to steady returns on investments, which is why I chose to attend training with Forextime. Forextime is one of the world's leading brokers in foreign currency trading.